how do we build on the accent, right? So there are 2-3 ways of building on an accent. Number one is, why do you want to build an accent? Okay, the answer. If you are in India, Indian English is very good. If there is some reason and you genuinely want to do it, then BPO sector, for example, then there are trainings that happen. So that also is a whole, course which one has to, do, because you have to understand sounds. You have to understand how the phonology, you have to understand how alphabets join to make sounds. So there's a whole science to it, for which maybe, another session can be taken. But then, yes, accent can be built upon. One can acquire any accent that one wants. I'll also, tell, for example, South Indians have a different accent. We North Indians have a different accent. So even in our country, the accents differ. When they speak English, there's a little touch to their English, of their nativity. When we speak English, there's a little touch. So, but yes, you can build. And अगर आपने आज की डेट में, अगर मुझे भी अपना accent build करना है to a particular country, मुझे भी वो सारा कुछ जो मैं किसी और को बताऊंगी या मैं जो आपको बताऊंगी, मुझे वो सारा कुछ अपने ऊपर लागू करना पड़ेगा. I'll have to understand the sounds. For another example, for me, French is a tongue twister. In spite of the fact कि मेरी इंग्लिश ठीक ठाक है, मेरे लिए फ्रेंच एक टंग ट्विस्टर हो जाती है, क्योंकि उनके साउंड्स बहुत ही अलग हैं जो मैंने इंग्लिश में नहीं पढ़े हैं. वो है ही नहीं है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के अंदर, राइट? सो एवरी लैंग्वेज हैज इट्स ओन science and maths to it. So to understand and to learn those sounds and then to build on that accent, it's totally doable. But then one, you'll have to first get a grip of the language. That at least you can speak the language fluently, and then work on the accent, right? And again, that's a very lengthy thing of working on the tongue, working on your mouth organs. So, but this the whole thing is, yes, you can achieve whatever you want, including accents. Watching English movies, absolutely. मतलब जब आप उन लोगों के साथ भी रहो, तब भी you tend to pick their accent. When you hear, it tends to register in your mind and you pick it up. Like, for example, if I spend 2 days with the South Indian, I pick up the accent. I pick up the South Indian accent automatically. And I mean it. It happens with me. And then, of course, it takes me 2-3 days to come back to my original way of speaking. Right, but then, of course, you will not. If you are in India, you will not get that environment. You will not be with the natives of a particular country. You want, to pick the accent. But then there's a whole curriculum to it to build it up.